I'm Josh Sellers, a project geophysicist at Seequent. Today I'll take you through a quick workflow for downloading, preparing, and reprojecting earthquake data downloaded from the California website. To download the Northern California earthquake data, go to the Northern California Earthquake Data Center here at the ncedc.org. Here you can input the start and end time, minimum, maximum magnitude, and some additional information on the earthquake information you'd like to download. Simply press Submit Request, and it will bring you to the download page where you can download the output information as a text file. Right-click, Save As, your California earthquake data. Once the information is saved to a text file, we can bring it into Oasis montaj to do some necessary data preparation before we bring it into Leapfrog. We'll create a new GDB and then go to the database menu and import an ASCII file. We'll import the cali.meq.txt file and we'll create a new template. We'll say the data units are on row 2 to move forward with the white space delimited importer. Pressing next, we will adhere to the defaults set in this data import wizard. Pressing OK will import all of the data to our GDB. We'll notice that all of the channels are protected by default, so we will right-click and protect none. Next, we'll set the coordinate system of our latitude and longitude channels in this database. So go to the coordinates menu and set coordinate system. Here we'll define the X and Y channels as longitude and latitude, respectively, and click on the coordinate system menu. Here you can search for the geographic coordinate system that you need to set your channels to, or if you have it logged in your favorites, we can choose WGS84, a geographic coordinate system. This will allow us to reproject our database to a new projected coordinate system in UTM coordinates. To do that, we'll go back to the coordinates menu and set a new projected coordinate system. Here we enter the existing coordinate channels, which are denoted by these blue X and Y tags on the right of your column header. Pressing Next, this confirms the coordinate system that these two channels are in. We see that it automatically reads the WGS84, which is tagged on the bottom right corner of our database. We'll press OK. This is the new coordinate channels that we'll create on reprojection. So we'll say X UTM 10 north and Y UTM 10 north. We'll define the new projected coordinate system. Pressing OK will generate two new columns in our database called X and Y UTM 10 north, where we can set these two channels as the current X and Y coordinates of our database. Upon pressing OK, we'll notice in the bottom right corner that the new coordinate system of our database will correspond with the new projected coordinate system that we've assigned these two new columns. We'll also notice that the depth channel is actually measured in kilometers. So to get this into Leapfrog, we do want the X, Y, and Z units to be consistent. So we can quickly convert this from kilometers to meters through the database tools channel math menu, where we can design a math expression to multiply the depth channel by -1000. So this will effectively convert depth positive values to elevation values from kilometers to meters. So we'll define C1 as depth, and C0, the output channel, will be depth in meters. Pressing OK, we now have this depth_m channel in elevation, negative down, and in meters.